Yeah. So need to do like yeah. We can add a construction line. Construction line. Oh, wait. Hold up. How big is this hole? 3.65. Wait. No, we are gonna want this one. I should have Jesus. Bad naming conventions is kind of fucking me right now by this like hole diameter shit. I don't know. What hole? Insert hole diameter 5.4. Insert hole depth. Insert hole diameter. Okay. So that's 5.4. If we center it, how does it look if we extrude this like 10? Let's go 12. Okay. Let's get the center of it. That's really easy by just drawing two things. No need a construction. Okay. Now finish. Extrude distance to Lordy. Cut. That should do it, right? Creates a copy. Features. Let me select the plane, bro. Oh, had it. Okay. Edit feature. Why did it not copy the whole over? Mirrors, features, faces. Mirror plane. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Do I have to like? Why did it not? Okay, whatever. Okay. Okay. Small problem. I don't know what hang on. Insert hole depth is 10 millimeters. Motor, Jesus Christ. Brother. Okay. Insert hole diameter. What? Threaded insert 5 millimeter. M5. M5. Heat set threaded. Seven. M2. $5.4 millimeters. Yeah, I've got the inserts for, I think, M3s. This might be a problem. I don't know if these screws I was planning to use are going to be strong enough. Like, Except for M3 screw. M3 screw, like... Our M3 screw's gonna be strong enough. It's only 3.75 millimeters. That might not even be deep enough, bro. Needs to be like 5. Fuck. I think I should up. Like. Okay, I think I'm gonna upgrade to M4 screws for this project. So 4mm threaded insert, 2.5. M4, but Now this is 3.75. Let's just add another. We need to add another 30 millimeters. Yeah. Yeah. Yurt. Yurt. Dope. Okay. Now, the difficult part of this is building the rail that this is going to slot into. So I have to measure the fucking nut tip. The nut tip. Yeah, man. Rail nut. Skadoosh. .5 rail depth. Okay. Rail width. So we need to find the actual width of the nut and then add a small gap. Seven should do it. Or I feel kind of free. Rail height. My head on a stove to see if I feel me. Okay, let's use math here. If this screw, for example, has a height of 20... I don't need the one, that one. Help, please. 18.25. Oh wait, no, I need this part. 0.2. Or then we use up. Okay. We need 6 millimeters. No, 6.75. Plus, I need another at least like 3. At least 3. So 9.75 plus okay, so I need to have about 15 worth of thread. Fuck, what did I say? 9.75. 15 minus 9.75 is 5.25. So we'll say 6. 6 of them bitches. Enter expression 6. Boom. That's so crazy, bro. Okay. Whoa. Okay, we need to know where the center of this hole is. So we draw construction lines. Our rail, more construction line. We go out rail nut width. Rail nut width divided by 2. Oh my god, hello Kyo. What do you mean? YouTube has so good emojis. Yeah, look how good it is. My brain is seizing up, thinking about how to do this. Hang on, I'm getting somewhere. Lock on. God damn. 180 degrees. These need to all be construction lines. Dumbass. 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 Dope. Dope, 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 dope. Hello? Mirror the whole rectangle. The fuck? I'm control Zing. I need to do this smarter. Rail nut width divided by 2. That was so much easier. Why can I not copy the whole mirror or the rectangle? Why does it make me do all the lines? Whatever. Mirror line. Can I not select this big fucking red one right here? Jesus. The red one. The big red one. Hello? Oh my god. Pissing me off. Wow, now I can copy it. Wow, wow. Okay. Now everything besides these bits need to extrude by three. Wait, the fuck? What are these round bitches doing? The fuck? The fuck? Hold. Oh my god, extrude. Okay. Now we have to do like the same damn thing. Except this time our rectangles need to be Is that gonna be funky not make faces on the other side? I'm not sure. We're gonna find out. So far, I think this should work the way I'm expecting it to.
Follow your dreams. Yeah. Wanna get a mansion, a jacuzzi, a theater to watch my movies, couple whips and lots of fancy things. The kids they call the Goonies. I see the future, crystal ball, mirror, mirror hanging on the wall. Who the fly white boy of the mall? Got your girlfriend screening all the calls. She bubbling, we fucking and you cuddling. Like baby, where the fuck you been? Don't wanna tell you she in love with him. So we ain't saying nothing. You could probably tell she bluffing, cause she kissed you with the mouth. She gave me head with my concussion. Yeah, she blushing, all red. Wanna rush and go to bed. You interrogate that bitch like you.
I need to find the center here. The thing that's like really annoying with this type of shit is like you can see I can highlight the circle here, but then like if I need to like put something at the center mark, it like doesn't lock. Oh, hold, wait. That's good enough. Okay, now this needs to be rail width divided by trois. Hello? Oh god, I feel like I gotta sneeze. Wait, did I already have? Rail height of 6. Oh, this is bad. I extruded this by 3. It should have been 6. Fuck it. We keep going and then try to edit it when we're done. That's the way we roll. Select the big red line. There's a axis right there. Oh my god, this shit pisses me off when I have to do this. To find the fucking... Oh my lord. Yeah, I'm kind of a pro. Kind of a professional at it. Kind of a baller. Kind of crazy. Kind of correct. Wait. Oh my fucking god. I need this bit without this bit. I'm gonna fucking lose it. Okay. Wait, the fuck? This is the part that needs to be 6, actually. So I didn't fuck up. So then that comes out there. Join. Create sketch. Hang on, delete. Okay. Now to avoid fuck ups, turn that invisible, turn that invisible. Then we extrude this. Oh shit, and that. Some. Oh. You know, I'm starting to think now it would have been way easier to just do this. Make this rectangle and then cut out this shape in there. That's so weird. Why didn't anyone ever think of that? That's crazy. A little weird. Damn, look at me go. We are ballin'. Dope. Peep that shit. Fucking crazy. So now this bottom bit that I just made is what's gonna connect to the base. So we can do that by going like that. This is gonna do something weird if I'm not careful here. Okay. Now we need to like hollow this out a bit because I don't want just a big ugly ass rectangle. It's like a cool shape we can do, like cut out a cock and balls or something. Hmm. 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 Select the green one. I see a big green line where I want a mirror. Pissing me off. Yeah, there's probably a setting somewhere. Cause like I swear to God, like sometimes it'll like let me lock on, or it should have like can I choose these lines that I made before actually? Where'd this one go? Oh my God. Line, line. I can't select it now. It's not a appropriate line. All right, whatever. We're running it the old-fashioned way here. Okay, maybe not. Wow, look how that lines up with two other lines I could have used. Crazy. Crazy. Wicked. Wicked. Holy smokes. Okay. Now I need to make the mounting holes. Mounting hole time. Three, five. God damn it. Hello. Alright, instead of mirroring, it'll just be faster to make that little rectangle 5 times. 5 tap 5. Bada bing, bada boom. Whoa! Creating a bunch of fucking nipples there. Utters Jesus. Are these little screws big enough? Oh my god, I'm all over the place. Ow! Fuck me. Okay, this, my depth here of insert hole depth, that's not big enough. It needs to be 15 at least. Oh, that's ugly. It's like video game music. YouTube won't stop yelling at me for using copyright music. Listen to some Terraria. I changed my mind. Terraria, I don't like it. This will do for now. Poggers. The Terraria? Alright. Since you asked so nicely. There's no way this is copyrighted. Your stream may be temporarily blocked. I don't care anymore. I'm already listening to Terraria. do something. Okay, let's go. Okay, now in the base we need to add these holes. Which we can do by extruding them again. Boop, 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 boop. Wow. Okay. Now here's where things get a little crazy. Um. They're not going in a rectangle. Um. 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 Axis. Do I want a circle? Whoa! What the fuck? Whoa! Damn! Now we're getting fucking nuts. Wow! Look at it go! Okay. Now the thing is to figure out how to get the top one. So step 1 is to get this song is fucked up. Fine, I'll skip it. Dr. Disrespect. Oh boy. Oh brother. We need components again. We need I've seen other people build one. I'm not like copying any one person directly. I'm kind of taking a little bit of inspiration from a bunch of people. Like all of my code so far is completely mine. For this design, the only thing I've taken is the idea so far for having this like slider bit so that a nut will go in here and then the screw in there so I can slide the motor in and out to get the cube easy. But like the code is all mine and the I think that's it. Yeah, but I've taken like a little bit of ideas from everyone though. But this is all of the code so far. So we're at about 600 lines of code so far. Not counting... This is something else. A little bit of code in another file. And then like for solving a Rubik's Cube, that's 600 lines of code so far. So there's 7 main steps to solving a cube for the method I'm coding it to solve it. And I think in that 600 lines, I've so far only solved 1, 2, and 3. I think. But there's also like some other stuff like that 600 lines isn't just for those steps because I have other stuff that like cool main move is used by all the steps. But like oh god, I haven't looked in this code in like a month. This code might not fucking work at all. Check here if things go sideways. Yeah, this is a problem I ran into of coding, doing all this code before having the robot built is none of this is like actually tested. This code should compile, which is like step 1. Okay, never mind, it doesn't compile. Oh, that's a warning. Oh, yeah, it compiles. We're fine. But like, solve white cross. This is all for step 1 of solving a cube. I think. Solving that piece. Yeah. Step 2 of solving the cube. Step 3 was a long one. That's step 3. But yeah, like this code is all mine. And ChatGPT's. They don't count though. Dude, all the notes. I fucking shit and giggle and kick my feet to myself whenever I write code and do the notes. It's like the same thing with the like. I think you've seen it because I think you might be the one who showed to me the like GTA source code. Like that is like actually how it is. Like I have random shit. Like I haven't seen this code in a while, but like if this happens, something has gone terribly wrong. So like this line of code should never happen. What else though? Yeah, this code might not fucking work at all. Yeah, this is a big note. This is like, I don't even remember why. I should have explained why in the note here. But when I wrote this, I was like, yeah, I'm not sure about this. So if the robot doesn't work, there's a chance it's here. Oh, yeah. Here's another nice little note I left myself. If arrays are equal, we are done. No need for additional moves. This, along with the while loop, is redundant, you fucking moron. Rotate to avoid fucking it up. Is redundant. Why is this redundant? If arrays equal current position and solve position, return. Oh, I see why it's redundant. Because this if check is being checked here. Okay, yeah. Whoever wrote this code is a fucking moron. I agree with this comment now. I don't know why I didn't just delete this line of code. Maybe I was a little scared. But yeah, I got to a point where I figured I should probably build the robot before I write more code. Because I'm already at like 600 lines and have not like tested it with an actual robot. Let me find the video. Oh yeah, here. Here's where I got the idea for the like sliding thing. At least this specific technique to do it. I knew I wanted them to slide, but yeah, so it's kind of copying him a little bit. First try work flawless. Yeah, that's code always works on the first try. I'm not worried one bit, surely. But now how do we get this motor mounted all the way upside down? Yeah. If it's held, so this top bit here can move. So the screw will go in through this hole, but it won't. This hole is not threaded or anything. This is just a hole. And then in here will be total top bracket. Yeah, this whole, it's hard to tell because I don't know how to I'm not good at this kind of at modeling, so I can't like animate it. But this like bracket here, yeah, so this bracket here, yeah, it's a little confusing. So this bracket is attached to the motor itself with the holes, and then this bracket can move back and forth. And then there will be a nut in this railway here. Yeah. And then here, I can actually show you real quick. So with the cube, I took out one thing that a lot of people didn't do, and like that guy didn't do, is his is a little more complicated than mine. He like designed his own like T-nut things here. I'm just using a nut. They do things like these little things that grab like the outside of the square, but what I did is I took off the square, and then with the motor, I already have some of the mounts made. Then the motor then just goes in, and then it turns it. Because the problem with grabbing the outside of the square is every video I've seen where people do it, it like gets caught and they make a point of it.
Rotate sometimes. After a bit of research, I found that usually print to be higher power solve the majority of my problems and check for
Where did this guy say it?
rotate. This is also due to a little bit of misalignment of the motors and not to catch and bind when they're binding. I think everything, I rotate the motors by hand to see how they move, and of course, I have some severe binding. I think this is mainly due to the sharp corners on the coupling, causing the cube to catch and bind when the sides rotate. This is also due to a little bit of misalignment of the motors.
I'm a little bit smart.
Square to the cube. I figured I'll reprint these couplings with a radius so that way the cube will slide over the radius rather than sleep or reset pin confusion. Then I fuck up blue are in a certain color with values that represent 1200 weak warnings in the main solve, or just
But yeah, so I've copied a bit. Yeah, no 5-head emote. Might have to make my own. Mega genius. For most of the things though, I've copied a little bit of the like 3D modeling because that's what I'm ass at. But for the most part of all the Rubik's Cube robots I've seen, their code is either like way below my skill level so I can't copy them or don't want to, or it's like way too advanced that they're using like a Rubik's Cube solving thing that I don't even know how to solve a Rubik's Cube that way. But yeah, pretty cool. This guy's also using a Raspberry Pi, and I'm not. He's staring at me. I just don't know how to mount the top one because I kind of like the way this guy did it. Where's like a good still frame of like mounting it just with 2 sides to the side, and then he also mounts his camera up here. Because I might have a camera on mine. I'm not sure if I'm going to go that far yet. The only thing I don't like about this is, I mean, I guess I could do it, but I'm just worried if it's going to be harder to like move the motor. If this is there blocking it, might get annoying. If this gets in the way of moving the motor. Because like right now, if he needed to take these motors off for any reason, I think he would have to take the whole top piece off. Which it looks like it's only would be 4 screws. 1, 2, and then 3, 4 on this side. So it's not a huge deal, I guess, but...
Hey there, demons. It's me, your boy.
See, how do other people do it?
I just gotta say, fuck normies. I'm sick of their memes. I'm sick of their shitty normie fucking memes posting on Facebook. Their stupid catch me outside memes. Their pickle Rick memes. Man, fuck. No.
Oh, I remember seeing this one. Yeah, this guy... His like 3D is way simpler. He just has a bit of wood and screwed his motors on. Self-sliding motors, no way! I kind of like a simple idea like this, though. Of the top bit just goes over the side of one. But I don't know if it'll be strong enough, though. It's like his motors move a little bit as they turn. I really don't want mine to do that because that can cause issues.
Could attach to the side of the frame with nuts and bolts. Since I had tested the smallest motor earlier, I decided to use this one to turn the bolts because they were really cheap. These ones needed 4 signal connectors from the Arduino.
Yeah.
Attachment for the big stepper motors.
Oh
To
my
have enough
god,
space
what
to
the
insert
hell?
With a frame onto which I made attachment for the big stepper motors. To have it, so the design's able to write all the code in one go. And I also wanted to test the code on the actual cube as I wrote it. So the design started all the code in one
Oh,
go.
listen to this
And I
smart
also wanted
guy
to
building
test
a
the
robot
code on the actual
first.
cube as I wrote it. So the design started
Weird.
with a frame onto which I made attachment for the big stepper motors. To have enough space to insert the cube between all the motor shafts, they would need to move outwards, so I had them mounted on bolts which could be turned by a motor to shift them inwards and outwards. These bolts are connected by gears to spin exactly the same speed and in sync with each other.
Yeah, it's a little over-engineered, methinks. Too many sweats. Yeah. This guy's 3D is pretty cool, but this is one of the ones where his code is really... I don't want to say bad because I kind of feel like an asshole when I say stuff like that. But his code is not the best. I remember looking at it before. Which is... I think in this video he said he was like trying to teach himself how to code because he's more doing like electrical shit. Too many damn sweats. Talking about sweats though, this guy is nuts. I've seen this one before.
I finally decided to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube, and surprisingly, it wasn't as
Where's
complicated as
his?
I
He has a
thought. I
fucking
can solve one
dope
in a
ass
little under
one.
3 minutes, but considering that speed cubers can solve
This one.
cubes in under 10 seconds, this video is sponsored. The parts to be strong.
20.
Rubik's Cube has 6 sides.
Like this guy, he's using a Rubik's Cube solving technique that I have no idea. I can't even do that technique by hand, and I don't really want to figure it out, so.
Any of those 40 anyway. In each of
Where's
them,
it solving
the
it, though?
pixel.
His robot is
Finally
nuts. He uses,
got
like,
my
fucking...
first solve.
These big-ass motors here that are used for, like... these are used for, like, drones. Damn.
Now a solve under 2 seconds is cute, but I think we're using of those to fix the lighting issue. Finally got my first solve. Now a solve under 2.
Yeah, this is nuts. I think this robot has...
Solving.
Oh my god, that is loud. This robot has the world record for it.
3, 2, 1.
Damn.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, Ben Katz. Oh, I think he's also using, like, drone motors in this one. Yeah, I'm surprised too. You have to be like really precise. I think these pictures are from when it like completely shattered before. Which is one of the reasons I'm like I don't want to go the route of the other guy. Cuz like this one with how much his motors move.
Back, because they both have this 4 times the fork Arduino. Right, all
I
the
think
code
I
in one
should.
go. And I also ones
But like with
4
how much they
separate connectors from
move,
the Arduino.
he can't go
We
very
tested it
fast
with the
before his
same
thing will
circuit and
break.
setup as the previous one. It was perfect, easily strong enough and really fast, so I ordered 5 more of them. However, the power cable I was using had a current rate.
I think these drone motors are also like expensive as shit.
2 seconds.
I think they're like almost 100
Motor
each.
testing is to start the tune, then 3-axis testing.
I might be
After a
completely
couple
wrong,
of
but
jams, I found out that the motor shafts were pretty weak because a couple of them broke. Printing the shaft breaks, or when I need to take out the cube.
oh, I see he also did my idea of do the thing
Could I
into
have
the
designed
cube
this better?
and not like
Definitely.
grab the
Will I
square.
redesign it? Definitely not. Currently, I'm running into a couple of issues with the cube itself. The next thing to fit. Now, God's number being 20 is honest. So the next time that you apparent is that the facets on the center of the best speed cubers in the world average.
Yeah, God's number is not something I can do. That's like I think what he tried to do with his robot, where it's like I don't know if it's proven or not, but it's like said that any Rubik's Cube can be solved in 20 moves or less, or like 24 or something.
5 to 50 moves per solve. God's number being 20 is honestly
20.
quite remarkable. What's even crazier about God's number is that it took 30 years to prove that it was actually 20. So the next time that you solve a Rubik's Cube, don't feel accomplished because there's pretty much a guaranteed possibility that you could have solved it much, much faster. And now that we have an algorithm to solve the cube, all we need is a way to use the cameras to resemble the cube. So it doesn't resemble the color. Sharpie. I eventually did find a way to differentiate. Now a solve under 2 seconds
Nice.
is cute, but I think we can go faster. A lot faster. Turns look like. And now it does 8 turns in 290 milliseconds rather than 400. At this point,
Damn.
I've done all the 1-axis testing that I want to do, so now it's time to design and build the full solver. After spending some time on the design, I came up with this, which I made in a software called Onshape, today's sponsor. Onshape is the best.
Hey, honestly, I might have to call it here soon because I can feel my brain slowing down with this kind of stuff because it's getting late. But I think first I want to at least start 3D printing these so I can test them in the morning. So it might be a good point to stop actually because I don't want to I want to test these, like make sure they all fit and work before I move on. Methinks. Side motor bracket. Rubik's solver, STL side motor bracket. And then grab one of these. Side motor bracket mount. Rubik's solver. Okay. Pog. There's no way the program thinks this is the smartest way to print it. On its fucking side. Are you stupid? How do I like flatten it? Oh, lay on face. This one. Bedtime. Unless you want to play a couple, one or two ARAMs, perhaps. Bye-bye. Good night, Mr. Kyo. Alrighty, a good night. Thanks for stopping in. I enjoyed showing you the project. Oh my god. I am getting sleepy. Alright, she's warming up. Is there a way to make it smoother? Bamboo Lab. Camera. Laggy. This one. Some lag. I think yes for no does not use a good video compression. I think it uses certain. This is one problem I had and was able to improve it. It caused by the Wi-Fi range of the Bamboo, which is really low. You get it if they're Bamboo have direct view of your router. But the current file is not a problem. That's the most important. Is there a way to improve Bamboo Lab live camera backup? Try adjusting the camera settings within Bamboo Studio to lower the video resolution and frame rates. Whatever. Whatever. It'll be fine. I should save this, actually. It just occurred to me I have not saved this file in a while. Auto leveling. Alrighty. Well, we got a lot done today. We went from having like when we started today, we had just the bottom motor mount, and now we've gotten all of the stuff for the side motors and added them all into the CAD view, and now we're gonna print the test ones. So got a pretty good amount done today, I think, I would say. And I might try to work on this project a bit more because I've been working on other projects and stuff lately. but I think I might be resuming this one up a bit. So